Hold on, nigga. I know, the big boxes, nigga. Yo, this thing is legit. It comes wrapped twice. Not once, but twice. I can't even open this shit. Yo, this is SpongeBob. I didn't even notice. Oh my god. Made in China. Of course. You heard? It said made in China. Yep. SpongeBob. SpongeBob.